Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. It is 64 degrees out today. 64 degrees in 2 days. Wait, yeah, not tomorrow, but the next day. We're actually getting a snowstorm. We're getting 12 inches of snow the day before my birthday. So that's great. It's awesome. It's great. So excited. Just kidding. If this was like 10 years ago, I'd be super excited because I'd be like, I'm going snowboarding on my birthday, but no, not happy about it. Okay, first question. How many items do you list a day, and how many active listings do you have? So I don't list every day. That's just what I don't do. I know a lot of resellers say you should list every day, yeah, but I don't list every day. When I do list items, I list pretty much everything I have. So if I go to a thrift store and I buy like 40 things, I will have everything listed that day or the next day. That's just how I do things. I just like to list everything. I don't like stuff to be just sitting on my floor looking at me. I don't like that. So yeah, that's what I do. And as far as how many active listings do I have, I think I'm back up over 1,000. Currently I have 1,003 active listings. All right, next question. I have to like zoom in because I screenshotted this. Haven asked that, I think Poshmark did that temporary change to get us to stop bitching about having to share, LOL. Now we're so glad to have it back. Interesting perspective. Question, have you ever had a listing just poof, get deleted from your Poshmark closet? At first I thought it was just a fluke, maybe I accidentally deleted it when copy listing, but now I know that that's not the case. Would Poshmark delete a listing without notifying you? They were really normal with benign items, not fakes or misrepresenting them. Actually, hold on. This is jogging my memory. So back when I first started Poshmark, I sold like random ass things on there. I didn't know what you could and couldn't sell. So when I first started Poshmark, I had just gotten out of an MLM, a multi-level marketing company. Yes, I'm an ex-hun. If you guys want me to make a video talking about like my experience, I think I already have one, but I could give you guys some good tea. But yeah, I was just leaving doTERRA, an essential oil company, and I sold a bunch of essential oils on Poshmark, and I didn't know that that wasn't allowed. I literally sold probably like 30 to 35 oils, and I remember one day I woke up and my number of listings had gone down, and I'm like, what the heck happened? So I was like searching around my closet trying to figure out what happened. Well, all of those listings got deleted. Poshmark had deleted them. They never emailed me about them, but when I went to my closet, I think it was under my Posh stats. I don't know if they still do it, but it said Moderator deleted listings, and I had like 30 or 35, like the number 30 or 35 next to it. And I'm like, what the heck? So you tap on it and it said like, these are the listings that were deleted. I don't remember exactly what it said. Yeah, but I remember I never got an email about that. I'm like, what the heck? So maybe you sold something you weren't supposed to sell, or maybe you had a stock photo. I don't know. I would email Poshmark and ask them and be like, what's going on? Next question. Do you ever hold things for buyers? I had somebody tell me that they didn't get paid until March 1st and asked if I would hold something for them. So I don't, well, I can't say I don't. My girl Jasmine, I'll hold stuff for you. I know you watch my videos. So yeah, I mean, if it's people that have purchased from me in the past and I know that they're actually going to purchase again, then yes, I'll hold something for them. If it's just a random ass buyer, I probably won't. If I'm running a sale and they're like, hey, I really want this item, but I don't get paid for like another week, will you hold it for me? I'll say I won't hold it for you, but if it's still available in a week, then I will give you the sale price. Because yeah, I don't want to risk losing out on a sale, because what if they don't get paid when they thought they were going to? What if, they change their mind? There could be many factors. So I don't want to risk losing a sale. So no, unless it's someone that's purchased from me in the past and I know that they're not going to try to screw me over, then yes, I'll hold it for them, but not for like a random ass person. No. Last question. Have you ever had anyone return something for a ridiculous reason? I just had a return case open on me because the person didn't like the texture of the pants. What? Did Poshmark accept that return? Because that's crazy. That is crazy. Guys, have I had returns? Oh my gosh, that could be a whole separate video. I have had, yes, ridiculous reasons. I've had people try to scam me. I still have the case open right now. I sold a pair of leggings from Victoria's Secret, and the person wants to return them because they said there was no drawstring in them. I never said there was a drawstring. If you look at the listing photos, there is no drawstring. So very curious to see what Poshmark is going to do with that one. My guess is they're going to side with the buyer and say, oh, you didn't disclose that there wasn't a drawstring. But in the pictures, you can see there's no drawstring. But because I didn't say it in the description box, I don't know, they might get me on that. So I have had people return things for crazy reasons. If you guys want, I will make a video, like a separate video talking all about that. I could tell you guys some stories. And I've only been reselling, I mean, not for too long. 3 years. It'll be 3 years in April, right? Yeah, it'll be 3 years full-time in April. But I do have some stories, so comment down below and let me know if that's something that you want to see. That's it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.